In this video, we are going to show you how to add bullet points in CorelDRAW. Now, this is pretty much kind of like a Microsoft document or Google Docs kind of feature, but you can do that on CorelDRAW as well. So how do we do it? All we need to do is open a document, any document you want, right? And then look towards the main toolbar here on your left-hand side, and you're going to see something that has a letter A in it, right? This is the text tool. So click this or click F8 on your keyboard, like so. And then just make however big the document is going to be, or the text box is going to be for your document, depends on you. For example, we want to make it this big. As you can see here, now we have a text box where we can type. And if you see this little tiny thing that is flashing, that is going to be where we type everything. And as you can see, it's very small. Now, what we're going to do so that you can see it is, by default, it's going to be 12 points, right? That's so small. We want to go to 72 at least. There you go. So as you can see, we can see the text or the letters now. Now that's done, we want to click here. If you see it, there's letters here, right? There is an option for bulleted list or Control M. Very, very synonymous to Microsoft Word or Google Sheets, or Google Docs. I mean, click this, and as you can see, we now have a bullet. So if I type A and I press Enter, and B, Enter C, Enter D, etc. That is how you do it. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.